market, this we are going to cover, and in detail about the money market that we are going to see. Okay, in detail, like how the players, participants, again the same repetition will be there in the our syllabus. Like just in the chapter, in the first chapter, we have to know the what how the capital market works. Okay, then bond market, how the bond market works, that we are going to see. Okay, slowly we are going to again we are going to see the same points in the chapter number 2, you can say. Okay, students, anyone have any doubts in this? Because we are going little bit slower, I think so. Just we have covered chapter number 1, we are completing at the stage of completion of chapter number 1. Okay, all of you are able to view my screen, syllabus screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
this I think little bit slower we are moving. We have to move fast because we have to complete the syllabus on time. Okay, in the month of maybe in the month of August you have examination. Before that we have to complete. Okay, 1 month remain with us, like that is of July. June is, today is 30th June. We have to complete little bit fast. Okay, that we are going to see the money market. We are means money market we have seen, the capital market we are going to see today. Okay, then we are going to do the other part. Okay, student, just give me a second. Okay, we will wait for 2-3 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes, students will join, then we will start. Okay. Hello students, can we start? Okay, Omkar, Savare, Jayant, Mudliyar. Okay,
Yes,
one
sir.
thing I want to ask
Yes,
you
sir.
again to all of you. All of you have started to preparing the portfolio management exercise. Portfolio
Yes, sir.
management. I want
Yes, sir.
I want that particular notebook at the end of the semester. Okay, all of you to prepare. On that basis, I am going to give you marks. And how many of you are registered for on a Swayam portal? Students, please raise your hands. Okay, Yogesh Mudliyar, Monica Raiker, Suraj Mahajan, Pranav Lokhande, Sneha, Jayant, Omkar, Simran, Haridas, Anteshwar, Chaitali, Okay, and you have enroll for the course which are relating to our finance, like security analysis and portfolio management. Okay, that particular course you can enroll for that. And this that course is for, I think, a 12-week course is there. That course is for 12 weeks. Amol Devre, this he has registered. Okay, about what about the Nikita Haridas, Haridev Khanrande, okay, all of you have to register for this course. Again and again I am telling you, at least two courses you have to complete. Two courses for two credit courses which we have as the internal subjects, IL level courses, okay, institute level courses. That for two courses you have to complete at least two courses. Completion of two courses means just you don't have just you have to you are registered, and at the end of the completion of course you have to give examination. The examination, it will be held in the month of October. Okay, that examination you have to give, maybe online examination they are going to conduct at a particular center. How you have given CET, likewise in that particular MBA CET, likewise they were going to conduct the examination and they were going to give you marks. And 12-week course is there, I think so. For each week they have MCQ types of assignments. Okay, students, you're getting my points? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Please
Sir,
complete.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
second course कौन सा देना है मतलब?
Second course relating to finance, any one which you will feel which is second course, but wait for some time. Again you can try, but last date, don't miss last date of enrollment. I think so in this on Swayam portal the future and options course will going to come, but it has not showing. That's the reason I am telling you, just wait for some time. You will get definitely different types of courses you will find. Just I will searching for you and I will tell you. Okay, animation research
Hello.
methodology. Yeah, tell me.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Jayan.
Sir, risk derivative analysis कैसा रहेगा sir?
Risk derivative, that derivative course also you can do, no issue. Just I will write.
सर उसमें फ्यूचर एंड ऑप्शन के ये क्या बोलता है अपना
बोलो, tell me.
सर उसमें फ्यूचर ऑप्शन के कुछ फीचर कुछ
Yes.
पॉइंट्स है
ओके ओके, है क्या? ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. नहीं तो अब ये कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस का प्रोफेसर अभिजीत चंद्रा का कोर्स है, कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस, अभिजीत चंद्रा.
यस
8 weeks का कोर्स है. इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 26 जुलाई 2021.
ओके सर.
वो एंड होगा 26 सितंबर 2021 को, और उसका एग्जाम डेट है 26 सितंबर 2021. तब वो आपको एग्जामिनेशन देना पड़ेगा. 1500 रुपीज समथिंग फीस होंगे एग्जामिनेशन की. वो एग्जामिनेशन देने के बाद वो सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा. ओके, तो
Okay, sir.
देखिए कोर्स में बोलता हूँ 2 क्रेडिट का कोर्स है. इट इज ओके. 2 क्रेडिट कोर्स इज देयर. 2 credit course, that is okay. You can give this, you can complete this course. Okay, but
Okay, sir.
I am trying to tell you, complete 2 courses. Okay, just 1 minute. Hello, students. Yeah, just 1 minute.
Yes,
I will
sir.
share this my screen also. Okay, how I have searched. Just a minute. Okay. Okay, this Prasanna Chandra corporate finance, this course you can do. Okay, in catalog all you have to make, always course catalog all, then you are going to get us courses. Okay, I mean this course duration, national bodies which credit courses, categories, agriculture, commerce, finance. If you have selected, this many courses will come. You can apply for any two courses. Like basic, you can also do financial accounting. That is also okay. But do some courses. At least courses you have to do. Just 1 minute. Two courses you have to complete. Okay. Cost accounting course also you can do this. I will see just this is a how many weeks. One credit, not for us. One credit we have to do credit courses or more. One credit is not eligible for us. Dynamic, advanced instrumental methods. Any two courses you can do. Firstly, I have told you, and the security and portfolio management, that course you can do. And one thing, every week there is assignments are there for 12 weeks, 12 assignments, and in the 12 assignments course, out of that 12, 10 will be considered for your calculation, and 25 marks or some percentage they have mentioned. Just I will write security analysis. Just security analysis. Okay. See here how what they have mentioned here. See at last. All of you are able to view my screen. Okay. Assignment, average assignment score 25% of average of 8 assignments out of 12 assignment given in the course, and exam score 75% out of this 100. Okay, passing criteria is 40%. Okay, you getting my point? In your assignments have 25% weightage out of your 100, and the examination have 75% weightage out of your 100. You getting my points? Hello, yes, students. 25% means out of 40 marks your course, 40 marks के 25% कितने होते हैं? 40 marks at least to clear the examination. 40 के 25% कितने होते हैं? How much?
10 sir.
10 marks. 10 marks you are going to score from assignments, and out of the examination 100 marks के examination है, उसमें से आपको 30 marks एवरेज आई मीन 75% वेटेज मीन्स उतने मार्क्स स्कोर करना है. मे बी वो होंगे 100 के 75% वेटेज करो कितना होगा? 100 के कितना है? यहाँ पे 10 मार्क्स हो गए, 30 मार्क्स यू हैव टू स्कोर आउट ऑफ मीन्स 30, एटलीस्ट 30 मार्क्स यू हैव टू स्कोर इन द एग्जामिनेशन. अब स्टूडेंट्स,
Yes sir, yes sir.
just 1 minute, I'm muting. Okay, this is a certification. Enrollment you can do, enroll for the course. Okay, enrollment are 1305 enrollments were there for him. Okay, it is starts end date दिया है 26 जुलाई को स्टार्ट होगा. उसके सभी लोग मेरे को तुम्हारा व्हाट्सएप पे स्क्रीनशॉट शेयर करो किस कोर्स को एनरोल किए हो. स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू, ऑल ऑफ यू टू शेयर योर, or you can write for which course you are enrolled. Okay, you can send me the WhatsApp. I will also make a note of for which course you are enrolled. Okay.
Yes sir.
This is applicable for all specialization students. Okay. जो HR होंगे, मार्केटिंग होंगे, फाइनेंस, ऑपरेशन होंगे, सबको ये कंपलसरी है. सबने कम से कम 2 कोर्स करने चाहिए. Okay, it's clear. Now we will see
Yes.
our point, that is the capital market. You are able to view my screen, students?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir. Yes sir.
Again I am asking you, all of you, please mute yourself if you are on unmute. Hello. Just 1 minute. Okay. Yeah, you are able to view my screen, students.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today we are going to see the capital market. Okay. The capital markets means the market investment instruments like bonds and equities are traded is known as capital market. Okay. Here in the capital market we are going to trade. Yes, students. Yeah, we have already completed this. Then we can move to directly to the bond market. Okay, this much. This is bond markets.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This is not done.
students. Just enter. I think we have not covered this bond market.
Yes, sir. Anyway.
Bond market is simply a loan, but in the form of security. The issuer of bond is the borrower, and the investor is a holder of bond, or the lender, you can say, are used to finance a firm's usually long-term investments. See here the bonds means what? The bond which we are going to issue, or it is a one type of promissory note, you can simply say a promissory note, okay, issued by the borrower for the repayment of the principal amount. The borrower will going to issue the bond to the holder, means those who want to invest in the bond, for them he will going to issue the bond, and it is one type of promissory note. They were going to mention that uh, after particular period, after 5 years, after 10 years, they were going to repay the amount, whatever maybe amount is mentioned on the bond. Okay, it is one type of loan given by the investor to the company, or to the corporates, to the issuer who are going to issue that bond. Okay, but it is a one type of securities, you can say security. It is one type of document they have issued. Okay, like again, in the future, what there in the bond, what type of matter, or what type of important figures will there in the bond, like the face value. Face value of bond means the principal amount involved on the bond, which may be different from the market value of the bond. The principal amount, see here, you are going to purchase a SBI stock, which is face value is 2 rupees and the market value is 300 something. You getting my point? The face value, the principal amount is mentioned on the bond, face value. Then next is coupon rate. Coupon rate means this is the rate of interest paid by the issuer to the lender. Coupon rate means interest rate, like 5%, 10%, 7%. The interest rate is mentioned on the bond. Okay, how much interest we are going to pay to the holder, to the investor. And the next part, you can say the tenure, for how much long. Usually long term bonds were there. The tenure period more than 5 years will be there for the bonds. Okay. Recently the surveillance gold bond where came. Okay, if you have seen, you are going to know that for 8 years there is a lock-in period for that bond. They were going to mention all details about what is the tenure of the particular bond. The market price, okay, this is the price where the particular bond is available at market price. The maturity period, okay, the maturity period, at what date the bond will going to complete his maturity, means on the particular date we have to refund that. Okay, that will be mentioned in the bond. Okay, the bonds are broadly classified as a zero coupon bond, tax free bond, junk they were going to sell in a one lot, that much you can purchase. One lot is not maximum than 15,000 rupees. You in any IPO you can see the lot size total amount of that one lot is not more than 15,000 rupees. Okay, whatever the denomination they have, but they will take, but not 15 more than 15,000 they were going to collect from investors. Okay, in that what they were going to do, they were going to take the high denomination, high priced orders first to do like in their book building process. Okay, you can bid for lower price, higher price, okay, of the issue, okay, that you can do, but the price band will be there for you. Just very, the price band will be there in the book building. According to the price band, like if you are applying for 60 rupees, see here what they will do, companies, they will allot the shares for higher price, not for lower price, 55 rupees. The price band they were going to see, means they will see that how many investors were applied for 60 rupees. Firstly, they will allot for the shares for the those who applied for 60 rupees, and then they will come down to 59 if the quota is not filled. Their quota is not filled. Then they were going to come down to 59, 58 rupees. The companies always try to get the maximum amount from the investors in terms of premium. Again, I will tell you the share price of particular stock like technology is how much 10 rupees, and the market price is 1500 something is going on. Okay, like 4 rupees, I think so, 4 rupees. Nazara Technology 4 rupees, face value is 4 rupees, Nazara Technology, and the share price is going at a 1500 rupees. Okay, that much premium they have charged. 400 rupees is 4 rupees is the face value plus premium. The total amount for they have charged for 1500. If initial public offering, it has gone to 1100 rupees only. Face value plus premium they have charged in initial public offering. Okay, likewise in book building process, what they are going to do, the price band is given to you. You are going to you have to apply in the particular price band. When we are going to see this process, that again I am going to explain you all in detail about how it is runs, how it is goes. Okay, that all we are going to see in that. Like again, one thing I want to tell you to all the finance students, how many of you are there? Like 21. Okay, take any one of the IPO which is previously gone, or now means previously it is closed. Okay, like last year, the last month only or last week only, you can take an example of that. The recent IPO, just 1 minute. Recent IPO, I have
KIMS,
forgotten.
hello sir, KIMS
Yes,
Hospital,
yes. KIMS, KIMS, KIMS,
Dodla Dairy.
KIMS, Dodla Dairy, KIMS, Dodla Dairy. Okay, these IPOs you can analyze in detail. Okay, any IPO you can analyze the detail, like who is the bankers to the issue for that IPO, who is the banker, who is the underwriter. Okay, then you are able to understand what do you mean by underwriter. Okay, that all you can analyze. What is the price band? Okay, initial public offer, if they have gone with the price band, what is the price band? Okay, you can practically you can study. I'm going to tell you, but if you have studied the practically, like you can take an example of the KIMS IPO. Okay, the metal company IPO was recently, they have closed the IPO. The metal, Sham Metal, right?
Sham
Sham Metal,
Metallics.
Sham Metallics. Okay, Sham Metallics. That IPO you can take an example. All of you have to study on a particular IPO. Okay, study on, why I am telling you, you are able to. How many of you have read the IPO advertisement in the newspapers? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
IPO advertisement in newspapers. In newspapers, they are going to give you all the details. Who is the bankers to the issue? Who is the underwriter for the issue? Okay, where you have to deposit your application form or some money if you are applying. All the details they are going to mention. Okay, who is a banker for and who is the underwriter for the issue. Okay, that all they were going to mention in the initial public offering. Please, all of you have to go to and read out the initial public offering and prepare one report. Okay, prepare one
Yes, sir.
report means who are the issuer for the particular IPO. Anyone can take any IPO. There are number of IPOs gone and which has closed. You can take down that IPOs. Okay, Sagar,
Yes,
Onkar,
sir.
all of you are getting my points. Jayan,
Yes, sir.
Sneha,
Yes sir.
Sneha, okay. Akshada, take initial public offering ad. You can go through Google, you can go on a Google, you can take a news and read out that what is there. What do you mean by underwriting? Tell me, anyone can tell me what do you mean by underwriting? No one, we know that, no one will know. We try to understand what is the bankers to the issue. Who are the lead manager? Who are the book runner? The words, all these words are mentioned in the IPO, initial public offering. When we know that, when we want to know about what actual works they were going to do, then only we are able to understand. Okay, underwriters for the issue. Who is the underwriter? What do you mean by underwriter?
Would give guarantee to
Okay, who will give guarantee to?
सर जो रिस्क कैलकुलेट करता है.
रिस्क कैलकुलेट. अंडरराइटर रिस्क कैलकुलेट करता है. ओके, underwriter is going to calculate risk. Okay. Which risk? See here in initial public. Yeah, tell me.
unsold shares.
Yeah, for unsold share he will take a risk. Okay, unsold share he will take a risk means if the shares are not subscribed by the investors, okay, then what he will do? He will subscribe the remaining shares. Like they have gone with issuing 1 lakh shares. Out of 1,80,000 shares were subscribed. 20,000 shares the underwriter will going to subscribe or he will purchase. And for giving these services as underwriter services, he will charge to the company some amount. You read out the all names were there. Who is the underwriter and who is the bankers to the issue? Who is the lead manager? Who is the book runner? What is the price band? What is the opening date, closing date of the issue? All the detailed information is there in the initial public offering. Please go through that, then you are able to understand what actual the merchant bankers, these all are known as merchant bankers. Okay, these all are known as merchant bankers. Okay, I'm come to the point. Merchant bankers, all these parties were known as merchant bankers. You can read out that. For each one you can read out. Where you will get this consolidated information in initial public offering. The consolidated information you are going to get the bankers to the issue, okay, underwriter, price band, opening date, closing date, that all you are going to get. The lot size, what is the lot size, that all you are going to get. It's clear, students? Please study.
Yes, sir.
On a one page you can write a report. It is okay. On a one page. It is okay, not more than that. One page. For your understanding, I am telling you. For your understanding, because we are the finance domain, all we are finance students, you can say. You can know the information about what is IPO, what is a price band, what is the book building, what is the price band. Okay, we have to know that because we are in the finance. Okay, see here, students, like whenever we are going to go for any interviews and anywhere we are going, firstly we have to understand the basic of that company, where the company is actually performing, what actually the business they were doing. If we know that, on these parameters they are going to ask you questions, not apart from that. You getting my point? Firstly we have to study the company, what is our job profile, what is our job role, that we have to study. So if you are going to work in the capital market, definitely they are going to ask you the questions relating to capital market only. Okay, just 1 minute. Like all of you have to study that. Why I am telling you, we have to know that. Okay, KIMS IPO and this Delta, Dolta कौन सा IPO था भाई? They have given good returns. These two IPOs, Dolda, these two IPOs have given, Dodla Dairy. These two IPOs has given good returns. Have you know that at what price they have listed on a capital market? Anyone? Hello. See here, if anyone has applied on KIMS को कितने को लिस्ट हुआ?
सर 1009.
And उसका इश्यू प्राइस क्या था?
समथिंग 848 8 कुछ समथिंग.
840 समथिंग कुछ था, मेरे को अभी ध्यान
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
लेकिन है. Good returns they have given you. Those who have got the lot of 840 means they have got the shares of the schemes hospital. Now immediately within a 5 days or 10 days the prices goes to, and company has listed at 1100 something. Okay, it is a good to, we have to know that. Why I am telling you, like we are a finance students, anything you can do, money is required. Okay, money is required. For any activity we have to do, money is required, and we are the finance student. How to generate the money, how to grow the money, we know that. How to grow the money? If you are keeping your money in a postal deposit or a fixed deposit, you are not going to grow your money. The money will not going to grow, but just you can hedge the inflation. Hedge the inflation means we are going to mitigate the inflation. All of you know what do you mean by inflation, what do you mean by hedging. Once I have told you in my class, what do you mean by hedging?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are going to mitigate or we are going to hedge the risk. Okay, we are going to hedge the inflation if we are keeping our money in a fixed deposits in a bank. Okay, and the simple way as a financial planner, I already told you, our age is a percentage of investment where we have to do. Okay, as per our age, like if your age is 25, 25% of your total savings, total investment, you can do in the debt, and 75 you can do in the equities. Age grows, you have to change your investment portfolio. Every week, why I'm telling you, we have to always, every weekly or a monthly, we have to always check our portfolio. We have to modify, or we have to always watch on our portfolio. See here, someone has invested in a particular stock 1 year back. He is not looking to the stock, what is happening. That is not a good thing. Always portfolio manager's work is to manage the portfolio. He will sell some stock, he will purchase some stock if he has a watch on portfolio. Otherwise, no. How much returns you are going to get, you are not aware about that. Okay, like again, the IRCTC has given the losses, not losses, I will say, the profit has decreased, the profit has gone down, and IRFC has given good amount of profit. If you are, what I am talking to you, I am talking about the capital market. If you are aware about these stocks, then you are able to know that. And we are the finance student, we have to know that. We have to learn the capital market regularly. We have to watch. Why I have given you the portfolio management exercise, where you have invested, which stocks you have purchased. Read out the news of that particular stock only. Okay, what I am telling you, I have told you the portfolio management exercise. Every week you have to maintain minimum 5 or maximum 7 different stocks in your stock register. Read out the news of the 5 stocks or 7 stocks or 6 stocks. Okay, throughout the week, what is going on for this stock. That much you can read out. Ultimately, the interest will be created in with you. Okay, see here, after completion of your MBA and after all students, apart from finance specialization, everyone will going to invest in the capital market. Everyone will going to invest their money, not in a capital market or anywhere they are going to invest. You want a good returns, you can invest where you are able to take high risk, you can invest in the capital market. Okay, it is there. Like why I am telling you, why I am doing this portfolio management exercise. After completion of MBA, you are able to know that in which stocks we have to invest, where we have to invest. Okay, now you can see the electric vehicles were coming. It is a good opportunity to invest in electric vehicles. Okay, electric vehicles manufacturing companies. Or
Yes, sir.
in the pandemic, you can say in the pandemic the hoteling industry were closed. Okay, now it will going to open after completion of after we have means going to unlock our industry or our corporate, then there is a hoteling industry will going to boom. Just this, use the simple logics, what will going to happen in the country or in the corporates, you can say. According to that, you can invest, you can grow your money. Okay. In the pandemic, you have seen the many stocks have given good returns like Lupin, Aurobindo Pharma, the pharmaceutical, Gland Pharma. These pharmaceutical companies have given good returns because in the pandemic, because of the corona, there is a huge demand for the drugs. or for the drugs means the tablets. For that, there is huge demand. Ultimately, the sales gone up. They have earned good amount of profit. The stock prices have gone up. Use this simple logic and do a trading. Why I am telling you? After completion of MBA, definitely all of you are going to do a trading. It's clear from my side. I am giving you 100% guarantee that all of you are going to invest your money. Okay. Apart from your whatever incomes you are going to get, apart from your expenses, whatever savings you can do, out of that savings you are going to invest some amount as investment. Okay. Again, one thing I want to tell you, all of you have to do a proper financial planning of your life. All of you have to take life insurance and the term insurance, or mediclaim or term insurance. I will take. Okay, mediclaim and term insurance, these are the basic things for the earners or the investors. Basic things. Which are this? Term insurance and mediclaim, medical insurance, life insurance. These two are basic things. Firstly, all of you have to complete these two, then try for investment. Why I am telling you, if you invested some amount in the particular stock, if the medical emergency, something will happen, no one knows about the future. The future is uncertain. Then again, you are going to take a money from your investment, or you will close the particular account, and you are going to face the losses. That is the reason. The basic thing, two things all of you have to do, covering our life: term insurance and life insurance. That is mediclaim. These two things all of you have to do before going for investment. Okay?
Yes,
This much clear, students. Why I am telling you? Because we are the finance students, we have to know that. The sum you can tell to everyone: medical insurance and term insurance. These are the primary things. These we require. Then you can go for investment. The earners have the basic things. Those who are earning, those who are getting a salaries, or those who are earners, they have to do these two things. Then they can go for further investment purpose. Okay? Why I am telling you, after completion of your MBA, all of you are going to get the good job and some salary, then you have to, all of you have to do this. Okay? Now I am going to end the session.
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubts, you can tell me. Just I will check the timetable, which lecture we have. Okay. Again, in tomorrow, in first lecture, we are going to see the next part of bond market and all that. Further things we are going to see. Okay, the cryptocurrency and all that we are going to see. Okay, the derivative market, future market, foreign exchange market, and cryptocurrency. This we are going to see. Commodity market also. In next class, we are going to cover these four markets: the commodity market, derivative market, future market, foreign exchange market, and cryptocurrency market. This all we try to cover in the next class. Okay.
Yes.
Now I am going to end the session. Thank you for attending.
Sir,
Have a good... Yes, tell me, Sagar.
सर ते मूकला रजिस्टर केलंय सर. ते कॉलेजचं नाव ते पूर्ण येत नाही सर. ते यशस्वी इंस्टिट्यूट इंटरनॅशनल इंटरनॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट
इंटरनॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट सायन्स पुणे.
हा तर ते फक्त तीनच शब्द दिसतात. तर लक्षात येत नाही इंटरनॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट. त्याचं पूर्ण नाव दिसत नाही.
तर तू मला तुझा व्हॉट्सअप कर, तुझा आयडी पासवर्ड मी करतो.
म्हणजे रजिस्टर झालं सर. रजिस्टर झालं, मेल पण आला. फक्त मला ते डाऊट होता की यशस्वी दिसत नव्हतं त्यामध्ये.
यशस्वी नाही दिसत तिथे. मी सांगितलं स्पेसिफिकली इट विल कम इंटरनॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट सायन्स पुणे, नॉट चिंचवड ऑल्सो, पुणे.
ओके, रजिस्टर झालं सर. मेल पण आला ते एनपीएल कडे.
Also there we have to
yes sir
take science, International Institute of Management Science. Okay, it is our local chapter. They will ask you,
local chapter ला yes म्हणायचं ना सर. Local chapter ला yes नव्हतं.
You are a part of local chapter. Yes म्हणायचं. After making
बरोबर.
You have to write the college student. Yeah, Kalyani.
सगळं काही शिकली.
Okay, now I am going to end the session. Thank you for attending. Have a good day.